Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the process through which I make cornrows on my kids natural hair. This is a very good way to protect and style kids hair. It also helps in promoting healthy hair growth. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Kindly hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video so that more people will get to see it. Now let's get started. I have already washed and conditioned the hair with deep conditioner. I will go ahead and apply leave-in condition to make the hair very smooth. It will also help to detangle the hair and make it more manageable and flexible when making your kids' natural hair. Try to detangle it very well so that it will be less painful because they're just kids, of course. I believe you will not want your kids' hair to start aching after making their hair, right? So when I'm done conditioning the hair, I went ahead and combed the hair out and I have started sectioning it. I will be dividing the hair into small sections depending on how many cornrows I want to do. This will make my work very much easy and efficient. It will also ensure that each section is evenly cornrowed. Now that I'm done sectioning the hair according to the style that I desire, I will start to cornrow. As I braid, I will be adding hair to the cornrow using a feeding the braid technique. This will help to create a neat and more polished finish. When I finish the cornrow braiding, I will finish the remaining by twisting the mouth of the hair to the end of the hair. That will also help to create a seamless finish and prevent the braids from coming undone. And I will continue like so until I finish the process.